All right, you finally have selected the antibody pair that's going to work for you. Make sure you purchase enough antibody to cover all of your assays. Remember that sometimes you may run into lot-to-lot variability, so try to avoid that. Also, make sure you keep records of all of those preliminary screenings, validation assays, because you will need to provide them to your publisher. So in conclusion, what we have seen today is that antibodies are most definitely not created equally. They're also not created for the same purposes. So investing time in the beginning to properly select your primary and secondary antibodies will actually save you time down the line. It will also ensure that you have high quality, reproducible data that you can trust. Remember that through this video, we have also walked you through a step-by-step workflow that you can download and follow the next time that you need to select an antibody for your Western blot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.